Matching questions are as common and versatile as multiple choice questions and have become a staple of standardized testing. In SARS, you will give a list of examples and the correct answer that you want to be matched with those examples. When the student takes the test, they will see your prompts and a pull-down list containing all the different options. The student will select an option from the pull-down list for each prompt in order to answer the question. Let's make a matching item now. The fields for item code and item label are required on all item types, and the item code must be unique. Ensure that these fields are completed, then provide instructions for the student in the text editor labeled Item Stem. Matching is very useful for any type of question. However, for this example, we're going to ask an oversimplified question regarding fruit trees, just as an example. In the item stem, type instructions for the students. In the Choice Details section, we see a list of 3 rows of fields. In the first field, we'll record our prompt, and in the second field, we'll record the object that matches the prompt. Then we'll assign a score to each question. Now let's create our prompts to answer the question. In the first field, let's put apple, and then in the correct match field, we'll put apple tree. In the second field, let's put orange, and record orange tree in its correct match box. In the third field, let's put cherry, and then of course, cherry tree. To create a fourth option, we could click the Add button to generate a new row of fields. If we wanted to delete rows of fields, we could select the rows we want to delete and then hit the Delete button. The prompts will always occur in this order unless you click the Shuffle Choices box. Regarding the scores, you'll probably want to assign the same score in each box unless you want a certain match to be worth more points than the others. You could also change the scoring pattern from choice level to item level, which will give a single all or nothing score depending on if they get all the matches correct. Assign a complexity and classification according to Bloom's taxonomy levels, click Save, and you're done. After you click Save, you should be returned to the Manage Items screen. If you remain on the Item Creation screen, be sure to check that all required fields are filled in properly. When your item is successfully saved, you can preview it. Find your item and click the Options icon, then select Preview. This will open a new window which will display your item as it will appear to the student. In preview mode, certain item types will have correct answers identified, but this will never be the case elsewhere. You can always back out and click Edit to make any necessary adjustments to your item. Enjoy making your first matching items.